Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to adjust haptics and voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then after that, in the Accessibility, go to Vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then in the voiceover, scroll down and then tap the audio. Then in the audio, tap the sounds and haptics. Then after that, in the sounds and haptics, go to haptics section. As you will see, there is an adjust button located on this part. Then all you have to do is just drag it to right to increase the haptics effects, just like this. And if you want to lessen the haptics, just drag it to left, just like this. You can drag it to right or left to adjust the haptics in your audio. And that's it. We have successfully adjust haptics and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, you can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!